Oh, you're in trouble? Amelia? Hey, monster. Are you gonna pick these things up? Look, one's rolling into the kitchen. What a breadhead. What a breadhead, baby. Look at this. Look at this mess. Oh. Okay, now it's bedtime. Mom has an extra mess to clean up after the pumpkin head goes to sleep. Good night.